Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome. நான் தான் உங்க ஆதித்யா பேசுறேன். Greetings everybody. This is Aditya. In this video, I want to talk about the entrance examination for the master's course M.Sc in Aerospace Engineering at the Technical University of Darmstadt. After I completed my application via the Tucan portal, I had to send them notarized copies of my documents via courier to them. The documents that I sent were my passport, my bachelor's degree certificate, the consolidated mark sheet, my 12th class certificate, and then my IELTS certificate, and also the annex table or the table of equivalence where we have to fill our bachelor subjects corresponding to the one they asked, and also fill in the credits and the grade that you got. And I guess now they are also asking for the APS certificate during the application. I applied for the summer intake, which had its deadline on 15th of January, and the entrance exam was scheduled on February 23rd. After the admission committee reviews our documents, they will determine whether our bachelor subjects and the credits we got is up to the mark in order to study this master's course. And if we lack some credits, then they will invite us to write the entrance examination. The examination has two modes. One is offline, where you have to be in Darmstadt and write the exam in person, and the other is online, where you can just take the exam at your home. The exam takes place on the Moodle platform, and there are weekly Zoom meetings held by the MEC Center of TU Darmstadt, where they will give you technical details about the exam and also some instructions regarding it. Prior to the exam, you need to select the mode of exam that you want, and also you need to upload your ID. The examination was for 2 hours, and it consisted of the following 7 subjects: engineering mechanics, technical thermodynamics as well as heat and mass transfer, machine elements and mechatronics, systems theory and control engineering, measurement techniques, sensors and statistics, numerical calculation methods or simulation methods, and fundamental fluid mechanics. All the questions were MCQs, and there were some questions that were like drag and drop based. There is no exact syllabus for the exam, except that it is whatever we have studied during our bachelor's. So just revise the concepts of engineering mechanics or solid mechanics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and sensors, control engineering, etc. But there is a sample paper on the TUD website. It is in German, but you can upload it to the DPL website and you can translate it to English, and then you can just go through this sample paper to have an idea of what type of questions are being asked. On the day of the exam, make sure to log in time. There was a Zoom meeting like I think half an hour before the exam started, and they just give a few final minute instructions. And during the exam, we also had to stay in the Zoom meeting. Like they assigned a few people for us, and if we had any technical difficulties, we could just ask them during the examination. And also the examination was being proctored by an AI. And I should say that the time of 2 hours just goes by really fast, and since it's 7 subjects, so just decide which are the questions that you know very well and just answer them first, and then go back to the questions that you have to maybe think for a while. The criteria to pass the entrance examination wasn't revealed to us, but I'm guessing that I passed 4 subjects because in my admission letter, there were 3 subjects listed, and that I had to study this on my own during my master's study in order to familiarize myself with the concepts. Earlier, these used to be referred to as catch-up modules, meaning the subjects that you didn't pass during your entrance examination, you had to study them during your master's course and also clear them. But I think from winter 2022, they have removed this concept of catch-up modules. So that's all about the entrance examination. Make sure to have a good internet connection on the day of the exam. Revise the basic concepts, go through the sample paper a few times, and check the description of this video for all the links that I mentioned. And yeah, best of luck for the entrance examination, and hope to see you all soon here. Thanks a lot for watching this. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Nandri, vanakkam, choose.